Hi, today I'm going to make the 180 degree cooler. I know that this is one of Rob, one of the admins on the P&O fan page on Facebook. It's one of his favourites, so I'm going to try and recreate it. I've never actually had one, but I found the recipe and it sounds pretty good. It's a bit of a twist on a wine cooler, so if you know a wine cooler, it's a good alternative to a white wine spritzer. A bit more heavy going though. And it was created originally for the 180th P&O anniversary. So what you'll need is a lemon vodka. I've actually got the Ketel One Citron, which is lemon and lime, but you can get the Grey Goose do a lemon one, as do Absolut, and I think there's some supermarket brands out there doing them as well. Passion fruit syrup, so this is Monin. You can get a few different passion fruit syrups. If you can't get this, you could use passion fruit liqueur like Passoa. We've got Apricot Brandy. This one's by De Kuiper, I think that's how you say it. The likes of Bowls also do them. You'll find this in the supermarket, I should think. Apple juice, cloudy apple juice if you can get it, but any apple juice is fine. And then a sauvignon blanc wine. I'm sure other wines would work here, Chenin or something like that as well. Don't get too mad on the wine, but get a good one that you like, or you know you like. So we've also got some ice here that we'll be using in a bit. I'll leave that there actually, as well, and it all gets served in a wine glass. So in the bottom half of my shaker, I am going to put all the ingredients. So we just need half a vodka. Doesn't sound very much, but that's all you need. So might be a little more than half. So half is half of one shot, so half of 25 mils or thereabouts. I think I've probably got a bit more than that, but that's all right. And then you want 1 passion fruit syrup. I love passion fruit syrup. It just goes in so many things. It can really spruce up anything, even just a glass of Prosecco or champagne. A shot of passion fruit syrup in the bottom is lovely. And then half an apricot brandy. It's usually called apricot brandy liqueur, similar things really. Really smells lovely. But just half of one of those. It's really weird doing halves. And then the apple juice, we want 2 measures. So I'll flip my jigger. My jigger's got a double on the other side, so I flip mine over, but 2 measures of apple juice. Like I say, cloudy if you can get it. It's just the look it gives in the glass, I think, more than anything. Oh, I've put too much in there. Okay, this one's going to be very appley. And then 3 parts Sauvignon Blanc. So 2 in one side. And 1 in the other. So yeah, very appley 180 degree cooler here. But never mind. So there we go. Got all the ingredients in there. So just a reminder, it's half a vodka, 1 passion fruit syrup, half apricot brandy, 2 apple juice, not 4, and 3 white wine, Sauvignon Blanc. Into there pop some ice. I think I might have a bit, oh no, I'm alright, a bit too much. And then we're going to shake it. So, okay. Here's the shake. Yeah, my hand's about to freeze, so that'll do it. And then you pour it into a white glass. You're going to use the ice as well in this, so just carefully let it all pour in. Oops. just did it. There we go, look at that, that smells gorgeous. I forgot to buy some oranges, but I've got some dried orange pieces here, so you just garnish with an orange twist, fresh orange twist, or a slice, or some dried ones if you wish as well. And then we have it, the 180 degree cooler with a bit extra apple juice.